Thank you for buying this 21894 cam set from Fixture Displays. This product comes in 3 parts. You have 10 cams, 10 bolts, and 10 plastic nuts. This is a great set of hardware for making or repairing furniture items. We're going to show you how this works shortly. But first, we're going to give you some dimensions to make sure this fit for your use. The cams are 13mm in diameter, or about 0.51 inches, and height is 10.4mm or 0.41 inches. The bolts are M6 in screw size and 32mm long, or about 1.25 inches. The plastic screws are 0.41 inches in diameter, or 10.5 inches. And here's how this 3-piece set work. You're going to need 3 holes, one for the plastic nut that you're going to use a mallet to hammer it in. And then you're going to need a hole for the stem or the bolt, and then the hole for the cam. You're going to fasten the bolt to the plastic screw nut. Just enough the threads are gone. And then you're going to insert the bolt into the hole on edge. Then you can put in the cam and make sure the arrow faces the hole opening, and then you turn clockwise to lock. The hole size for the cam, some manufacturers prefer that to be a tight fit, some prefer to be a looser fit. Either way, they can create a good lock. Certainly, the tighter the better. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. We also have a sister item that are bigger, 14.6mm in diameter, and these are going to be put on description field as well. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.